How's it going? On two of my platforms, I'll show the channel where the playlist is, and on the one I share on Facebook, I will not. But the Kentucky Derby is an extremely high watch day based off of the movie View to a Kill, which was all about horse racing. And there is nothing anywhere that states that our potential Antichrist, whoever's in first place, we know who he is. Um, There's no indication. I've Googled it that he would be at the Kentucky Derby, but there it would be, helicopter on in, kind of a surprise. And, after the event, they would say, oh, well, we didn't announce it because he's always getting death threats and blah, 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 blah. They're going to have a narrative. But 19 videos are on my playlist. That I will show to my other two channels. So just know that tomorrow is a high watch day. If he ends up, remember, uh, Kentucky keeps beating Devil's Advocate University, Florida Gators. They hadn't done it for decades, and all of a sudden now Kentucky keeps 86ing them. So I always said if he steps foot into Kentucky, look out. And he's supposed to be there for a massive fundraiser May 15th. So that's a big deal, of course. But um it would start if he helicoptered into that Kentucky Derby tomorrow for sure. All right, 19 videos. So, all right, love ya. And I will click over to this, and now we will click over to that. I will cut that off of my one channel. I don't like showing this channel here, Right Eye Wound Antichrist, to my Facebook people because I do a lot of crazy fun stuff with numbers. And but 19 minutes, 14 minutes, 2 minutes, well, almost 30 seconds, almost 2 minutes, 5.5 minutes, 10 minutes, almost 4 minutes, almost 4 minutes, 6.5 minutes, 4 minutes, 344, 220, and then 43 minutes. It says big items prep, Jets, Raiders, inception dates. So that's about a lot of stuff. And but somewhere in there is, sure you can skip that one if you want. Maggie Gyllenhaal equals Groundhog Day and Gematria is also included. What I'll probably do is remove them. I'm not on that page right now. I'm in my Bible study page, so I can't get rid of them. Ian Fleming equals 54. Let me tell you something else about this day. We'll go back here to my other channel now. All three channels. Another thing is the date going down on 5-4, rising on 5-6. Well, 54 plus 56, that's 110, which are the amount of stories of the twin Trumps. When you write the date backwards, it would then be 4565. So 4565. Well, that's also 110. Do all numbers work like that? 45 plus 65 is also 110. Okay. Well, let's do another date just to see if that's an anomaly or what. Let's go 5355. 53 plus. Yeah, it would be the same because it's the same digits. Yeah. But these just so happen to equal 110, which is the height of the twin Trumps. So that's a big deal. All right. Anyway, love y'all. Oh, and now we will go to the other channel. So it's called May 4th Kentucky Derby False Flag. If you want to watch the playlist, you can skip those super long ones down at the base where it's like 43 minutes, 28 minutes. But the other ones are specific for like 28 days after the eclipse is May 6th, which would have him going down on May 4th. So these are very big deals. I'm just going to go ahead and remove the 43-minute and the 28-minute. Nobody's got time to watch all of those, but there's the initial one, which is 19 minutes, and then 14 minutes. And then after that, they're very short. One of them is 10 minutes. And then there's another one, 8 minutes. May the 4th be the day. Good videos. So check them out. All right. Love you.